Hi. Your reflections on the topic, a person should be judged by how he treats his subordinates, in your ISC language composition. Now, Charlie Chaplin once said that judge a man not by how he treats his equals, but by how he treats his inferiors. So, a person who demonstrates kindness, empathy, and respect for those in inferior positions, subordinate positions, is supposed to possess a strong sense, or is likely to possess a strong sense of integrity and genuine concern for the well-being of others. So, how can you easily judge the character of a man as to how he treats others? Now, if you want to write, you can quote Charlie Chaplin's quote and then write the importance of observing on how individuals treat those who are in the position of being powerless or subordinates and who do not offer him or her immediate benefits. So, a person's true character can be revealed, definitely can be revealed by how they behave towards those who have no apparent utility to them. So, how this person, you can go on to write, give an example about someone whom you know who treats others very well, and also someone who does not treat his subordinates in the proper manner. So, a person, good character, can be judged in many ways, whether he's honest, whether he's reliable, whether he's competent enough, whether he's modest or humble. And in these proven ways, you can say, one of them is how he treats his subordinates. That reveals his true character. So, by observing the person as to how they treat those in need, especially when they receive nothing in return, and how people are willing to engage with them, can provide an insight into their psyche, whether they are people with empathy, people who have compassion for others. So you can write a lot in this composition if you have attempted this composition. So you can write that a person's character can be judged by the way he treats everyone, especially those who are rather powerless, and they are not directly, they are not giving him back, anything. So that is how you can judge a person's character.